Hello my lovely viewers, good day to you all. You're all welcome to today's class. So today we shall be looking at proportional division as we have on the board. So we have a question to solve. The question says, divide 2,000 naira between Ahmed and Nonso so that their shares are in the ratio 2:3. So we have 2,000 naira. Let's see how much Ahmed will get and how much Nonso we get in the ratio of 2:3. So the first step is to add up the total ratio we have here. So let's get our total ratio. So the total ratio, which is 2:3, will be equal to 2 plus 3, and 2 plus 3 gives us 5. So the total ratio is 5. This is the first step. So we call this the step 1. So let's move on to the next step, which is the step 2. For the step 2, we take the total amount of money that is to be shared between the two boys, that is Ahmed and Nonso. We divide the total amount of money by the total ratio. So the total amount of money is 2,000 naira. So we divide by the total ratio, which is 5. This is 2,000 naira. So we divide by 5, and 2,000 divided by 5. 5 here, 1, 5 in 2,000 gives us 400. So here we have 400 naira. This is step 2. So now we are done with the step 2. So we'll move on to the next step, the step 3. The step 3 now is for us to find the individual share. So let's start. The first name we have here is Ahmed. So Ahmed's share, let's calculate for Ahmed's share. So Ahmed's share, as you can see, the first name is Ahmed, the second is Nonso. The first ratio is 2, the second ratio is 3. That means Ahmed is carrying the first ratio of 2, while Nonso is carrying the second ratio of 3. As you can see, Nonso has a higher ratio compared to Ahmed. So Ahmed's share is going to be his ratio, that is Ahmed's ratio, times amount calculated, times the amount calculated. So Ahmed's ratio is 2. This is going to be 2 times the amount calculated is 400 naira. And 2 times 400 gives us 800 naira. So as you can see, Ahmed is going to have a share of 800 naira out of the 2,000 naira. So let's move on to the next step, which is the last step, step 4. Since the next step, now in this step, we are going to calculate Nonso's share. So for Nonso's share, we are still going to maintain the same formula. It's going to be his ratio times the amount calculated, and Nonso's ratio is 3. So this is going to give us 3 times the amount calculated is 400 naira, as we can see. And 3 times 400 gives us 1,200. So viewers, as we can all see, Ahmed, from the question, Nonso's ratio is higher than Ahmed's ratio. And the final answer is also showing that Nonso's amount he's going to collect from the money is higher than that of Ahmed. So that shows that we are on track, on the right track. So this is the final answer. But what I do after solving every question is I try to confirm my answer if it is correct or not, in case we are solving an objective question. So let's confirm this answer. So to confirm our answer, all we need to do is to add up the two answers we got and see if it corresponds with the total amount given in the question. So we have 800 naira plus 1,200 naira, which is the two answers we got, and this gives us a total of 2,000 naira. So this shows that our answer is correct, because from the question they have to share the sum of 2,000 naira. Thank you viewers for watching. Hope we learned something new today from today's class. Kindly check out if you have any question. Drop your questions in the comment section and you shall be clarified. Thank you for watching and see you in our next class. Bye.